Mexico, known as Jornada del Muerto, or Journey of Death. There, at 5:29 a.m. on July 16, 1945, the U.S. military detonated the first ever atomic bomb. But how had the Americans discovered the key to the world's first successful nuclear device? Did they do it themselves? Or might they have had access to the same ancient texts the Germans did that described...
Good morning, one and all present here. Today we all are gathered here to discuss if Indians had an influence on German scientists. While the scientists take invention from various different sources, India may be a part of German influence, but one which is very small. Inventions are like a big puzzle, from where scientists take different pieces from different thinkers, philosophers and inventors and add their own pieces to it to create something new.
It seems that famous German scientists like Einstein and Schrödinger knew about Indian philosophy and Vedanta, but there is actually no concrete evidence or to suggest that they directly used ancient Indian manuscripts or teachings for their scientific discovery. Without documentation and concrete proof, it would be very speculative to assume that they actually used them.
And they describe their knowledge of Indian philosophy and not... They describe the knowledge of Indian philosophy and not Indian science, and those are both completely different things when you look at it from that perspective.
I would like to tell one incident. Dr. Padma Subramaniam, she was a famous dancer. She visited the Museum of Russia. There the director showed her some 1,000 ancient Indian manuscripts. He told her that they were captured by Russians at the end of World War II from Germany. Among them was a manuscript on missiles, and Russia was able to develop its first intercontinental ballistic missile on the basis of the manuscript. Those manuscripts were still in the Germany when in 1930s Hindenburg and Weizsäcker worked on nuclear weapons and Werner von Braun worked on missiles for Nazi Germany.
Now, supporting our argument, if we see the maximum number of German scientists show their achievement to the world during 19th and 20th century. Now, in this time, if we see, India was itself under colonial rule. And at that time, the type of scientific and technological development which Germany invented or created, India, there is really low chances that India was able to do that or India had any influence. At that time, India even doing something for freedom is even a high possibility. So, there are really rare chances that Germany is getting influenced by India.
Found in Germany, which the Russians stole. But how can you say that the Germans were the ones who took the manuscripts from India? There is a possibility that some Indian person or any other person other than Germans could have taken those manuscripts there and stored them there. There is a very low possibility that Germans themselves would have those manuscripts from India, thousands of them, ancient ones, that they would preserve them so that they are found in perfect conditions by the Russians during the war period.
Ancient Indian had Vimanas, we are ourselves brainwashed with the fact that flying machines or Vimanas came only after the invention of Wright brothers, which is not true or valid. We have one more argument. Surely incredible that Western science was suddenly so advanced as to go into space. Incidentally or coincidentally, that Indian Puranas are full of space travels, but few Western interests convince the Indians that these all were just fairy tales.